In the fifth question, it is given what length of tarpaulin 3 meters wide will be required to make conical tent of 8 meters height and base radius 6 meters. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters, and we have to use pi equal to 3.14. So what they have given that they needed to make a tent with tarpaulin, and width of that tarpaulin material is 3 meters. Length we have to find, and the dimensions of the conical tent is, that is, height is 8 meters, base radius is 6 meters, and they are saying that 20 centimeter of extra length of material will be needed for stitching margins and wastage. So what we will do, as you can see, here is a cone. Let's say this is a cone and height is 8 meters, radius is 6 meters, and they have to make the tent with tarpaulin. So tarpaulin material will be required only on the curved part, not on the base. So it means we have to first find the curved surface area of this tent, and that we will equate with the area of tarpaulin material, because area should be same. So using that we will equate the areas and then we will find the length. So let's see how we can do this. We know that the curved surface area of cone is pi into r into L, but we do not have L. So firstly we have to find L. So you can see that radius is 6, so this will be 6. If we make this right triangle which is there in the cone here, then here this will be 6 and this will be 8 and this is L. So using the Pythagoras theorem we will find the value of L. So L square will be equal to the sum of square of other two sides. It means 8 square plus 6 square. So this comes out to be 64 plus 36. So L square is equal to 100. It means when we take square root on both sides, so L will be equal to 10. So the slant height is 10. Now let's put the values in curved surface area formula. So pi we have to take 3.14 into radius is 6 into slant height is 10. So this comes out to be 188.4 square meters. So this is the curved surface area of the cone. Now area of tarpaulin should be equal to the area of tent. So area of tarpaulin should be equal to the area of tent, that is curved surface area of the tent. And curved surface area we have already found out, that is 188.4, and area of tarpaulin, it will be in rectangular shape, so it will be length into breadth, and breadth they have already given, it is 3 meters wide. It means L into 3 will be equal to 188.4. So to solve for L we have to shift this 3 to the right side. So L is equal to 188.4 by 3. So L comes out to be 62.8 meters. So this is the length of the tarpaulin material required for tent, but they have said that 20 centimeter extra is needed for stitching margins and wastage. It means, and they have said that extra length is required. It means this 20 centimeters we have to add to the length. So now margin will be, margin is 20 centimeters. Firstly we have to convert it into meters. So it will be 20 by 100, or you can say 0.2 meters. So total length of the material or tarpaulin, total length will be, we will add this 0.2 to 62.8. So 62.8 plus 0.2, the answer comes out to be 63 meters. So this is the length of the tarpaulin required to make that tent.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap. a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.